nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so as you can see by the title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got my curls back. You know, curls back, like, yes, back popping, new bundles or what? Guys, these bundles are like over a year old and these curls are popping. So if you guys would like to see what I did and what I used to achieve back these curls, yes, continue watching. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss a video, so hit that post notification bell. Leave a comment down below, let me know what else you guys would like to see. I made this one short and quick for y'all. Yes. So I'm gonna work with 2 sections, and this is a closure wig. That's why I keep like pulling it up, but it's not sewn down on my head. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do first is take my detangling brush and I'm just gonna comb out the hair. And make sure you get underneath as well, like comb the back. Then I'm gonna go in with my water bottle. There is only water in here, so I'm just gonna spray the hair. I'm gonna take back my brush and brush it. And if I feel any dry areas, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it. So once my hair is wet, I'm going to use my BioSilk. I don't know if you guys can see it, like there's so much light in this room right now. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit in my hand and then just massage it through the hair. And this is a lightweight oil, so it's really good. And then I'm gonna go in with this curling product. It's by Soft Sheen, and it's the moisturizing finishing lotion. And I use this to maintain the curls so that even when the hair dries, the curl is still there. It doesn't like get puffy. The curl pattern is still showing. So I go go through everywhere and make sure that this curl product is everywhere in the hair. So I pull it through the hair and then I just scrunch the ends back up. And always be sure to get the back, because sometimes you just do the top and the front and forget about the back. So make sure you remember about that part. Yeah. That's how my curls look, guys. And that wasn't a lot of work at all. This could be done in like 2 minutes, a minute. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. Spray in the camera. Just using a towel or something. I don't know what I was thinking, but all my clothes are getting wet right now. I'm using literally like a pebble size amount and just rubbing it through my hair. Like a little goes a long way with this product. And then I'm using the finishing lotion and I'm just applying it throughout the hair. Well guys, thank you for staying tuned to my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something from it. If you guys have any curl products that you guys use, please let me know what they are. I'm always open to trying new things, different products. So yeah, you guys can leave that in the comments. If there's anything you guys would like to see, any video ideas you guys have for me, you can also comment below. And yeah, follow me. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, guys, at Nae.Simone. And follow my hair page. Follow my hair page at Paris Hair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes. Yes. So guys, I'll be back. I'll be back with another one. I'll be back with another one. Yes. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna be doing like a vlog series for like my hair, my entrepreneurship life, like what I've done, what I'm doing, what I have in store. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hit that post notification bell. Yeah, you'll see when I'm dropping another video.